Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting lesson. In today's lesson, we want to solve this exponential algebraic expression, an Olympiad math. To solve this, we have our solution. Okay, next thing we need to do here, our question is 5 to the power of m equal to 80. So first thing first is to take the log of both sides of this expression. So we have log of 5 to the power of m equal to log of 80. Now we bring down this power to the base using the law of exponent. So we have m log 5 equal to log 80 can be simplified as log into bracket 5 multiplied by 16. Then if we divide through by log 5 to isolate m, we have m to be equal to log into 5 multiplied by 16 over log 5. Now from here, what we need to do here is to use the logarithmic identity to express this as addition of log. So our m now becomes log of 5 plus log 16 over log 5. M will now be equal to log 5 plus log 16, which can be simplified as log 2 to the power of 4 over log 5. And we can bring as well this 4 down to the base, and our m becomes log 5 plus 4 log 2, everything over log 5. Now here we can express this as m equal to log 5 over log 5 plus 4 log 2 over log 5. This log 5 we cancel out each other. We have m to be equal to 1 plus 4 log 2 over log 5. Considering this part, which can be simplified as log a over log b, given as log a base b. So we use this identity to simplify this. M becomes equal to 1 plus 4 log 2 base of 5, and this will be our final value of m. Using method 2, which can be more faster and simpler to this one, is to have m to the power of 5 to the power of m equal to 80. So here we first simplify the right hand side as 5 to the power of m equal to 5 multiplied by 6. Now we can divide through by 5. Divide by 5, then divide by 5. So this 5, we go with this. Then we have 5 to the power of m over 5 equal to 16. So according to the rule of exponents, if we have a base a power m, then base a power n, we can express it as base a power m minus n. So using this identity, we can discover that this 5 at the denominator is with power 1. So we can now write that as 5 to the power of m minus 1 equal to 16. Now, what we need to do here is to now take the log of both sides. We have log of 5 to the power of m minus 1 equal to log of 16. Then this power, which is m minus 1, can come to the base. So we now have m minus 1 log 5 equal to, we can as well simplify this. Then we have log of 2 to the power of 4. Now we have m minus 1 log 5 equal to log 2 to the power of 4. Here we can divide all through by log 5. So we have log 5, then log 5. So this go with this. We have at the left hand side m minus 1 equal to, this can as well come down to the base. So we have 4 log 2 over log 5. Okay, now considering this, if we add 1 to both sides, this m will be isolated. So we now have m to be equal to 1 plus 4 log of 2 then over log 5. So considering this part of this expression, we can now write that as log a over log b, which is simplified as log a base b. So if we consider this identity, we can write this in a simpler form. Then that will become m equal to 1 plus 4 log 2 base of 5. So as simple as that, using the second method. Now let's verify this verification. So to verify this from our expression, which is 5 to the power of m equal to 80. Inserting our value of m, we have 5 to the power of 1 plus 4 log 2 base of 5. Will that be equal to 80? Now here, if we consider this identity, base a power m plus n equal to base a power m multiplied by base a power n. Considering this, and we can use it to express this, and this become 5 to the power of 1 multiplied by 5 to the power of 4 log of 2 base 5. Will that be equal to 80? So this becomes 5 to the power of 1 equal to 5 multiplied by, then we can move this to the power. We have 5 to the power of log 2 base 5 then power 4. Would that be equal to 80? So here, if we have, considering this expression, if we have this expression, there's another identity of log, which implies if we have base a to the power of log, so we can express it as b. So using this, we use this to simplify this, and considering this expression, we note that our b is equal to 2 to the power of 4. So we now have 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 equal to 80. Will that be equal to 80? So considering this, we have 5 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 equal to 16. Will that be equal to 80? So 5 multiplied by 16 is given by 80. and that is equal to 80. And this verify the value of x as a correct value. LHS equal to RHS. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, turn on notification bell and share the video to your loved ones. See you in the next one.